How you guys doing? Larry, this is day 5 for the 911 Turbo restoration. Just gonna go through real quick. So far, we got 15-20 hours into this on the disassembly side. As you see, we're taking everything apart, top to bottom. We still gotta start disassembling the mirrors, doors. We're starting to mark up and map out all the areas of repair that are needed. So we're still going through this. We'll be taking all of this stuff off as we continue to go through the repair. We're starting with all the big parts now. As you come around the back, you see we got the trunk, bumpers off. We start stripping down the bumpers. The right door is fully disassembled. We took the whole frame of the door out. As you can see on this side, as you see, the door is ready to come off the car. Window frame, everything is completely out. Mirror handles, all the latches. This latch will be coming out too, and then the whole harness will come out of the door. As we're going through this process, we're starting ready for the parts procurement. As you can see, we'll come over to Raphael.
Can walk on over here. We'll see the nice thing about Porsche, they still make parts for these cars. And this catalog is almost 800 pages long. And literally, I mean, we'll be going through every single part that we're going to be replacing and actually touch base with Town Motors in Englewood. Porsche, they do classic car restorations in their shop, and they can get us basically every single part that we need. Once I have the parts list for this vehicle, we will send it over to them to see what is available and how much everything is going to be. And then we touch base with the customer. Once we have all of that done, we'll get a deposit from the customer and order the parts. And as the parts are being ordered, we are going to continue on with the repairs of the vehicle itself, with the paint repairs, the additional disassembly that we have to do with the interior, the glass, the whole process. So while the parts are being ordered, which from my understanding from Porsche Town Motors, it takes a month, maybe a month and a half to actually get the parts in. So it's perfect for us to do this in this type of order. This way we don't have that as much downtime for the actual restoration.
So yeah, once we get the parts in order, we'll keep the car moving throughout the process. We're gonna have quite some extensive repairs, very time-consuming repairs. It's not any major repairs, but it's very time-consuming and attention to detail repairs, extremely, in the paint department. That way we keep the car moving throughout the whole process. That way it doesn't come to a standstill.
We basically put the car, a lot of the parts on the actual rack right here.
Yep, we got a couple different racks right now.
And it's going to expand.
Yep. So right now we're up to 3 full racks of parts that were fully disassembled. We'll be tagging and bagging all the parts that are good. We'll get wrapped up. And everything on the actual trunk itself was fully disassembled and removed, so that way there's going to be no paint line seams or anything. So we'll paint inside, outside, and the full inside of the trunk in all separate pieces. So this is part 1, part 2, part 3. This whole rack's just for the trunk itself. We come over here. These are all the door glasses for the right side door. Door glass, window frame. As you see, we'll be bagging them up, put them in some protective wrap, and then we'll actually put them up in storage, up in the loft. You can see there's a lot of little pieces. Trim panels will get fully wrapped, bagged and tagged, and put away throughout the repair. That way they're not sitting on the shelves. Right now, we're just organizing everything. During reassembly, everything will go back together very quickly.